Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Yvette Cooks. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and for watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and select all so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. In this video, I am going to show you the recipe for this yummy shrimp fried rice. So if you're interested, please come along with me to my kitchen and let's get started. So I have my pan on my heated stove, and my cooking oil of choice today is grapeseed oil. You can use any cooking oil of your choice. And my ingredients are chopped red onions, chopped green onions, and some chopped fresh tomatoes. And for my herbs, I chose basil and some parsley. So I'm gonna start off by cooking my onions, both the red onions and the green onions. I am cooking them first. You can choose to reuse white onions or omit any of these guys. I know people who don't like onions. So if you don't like onions, definitely omit this one. So I'm just gonna make sure that it cooks without burning. And once I'm satisfied with that, I am gonna go ahead and add my tomatoes to the onions and just cook that. And I like the flavor of tomatoes in fried rice really because I think it tastes good. But I always say for all of my recipes that please make it yours. If you don't like tomatoes, omit it, guys. So I'm gonna let that cook for a little bit. Then I'll go in there with some salt, and I am just gonna make sure that everything is sauteed really nicely. And once I'm satisfied with that, I'm gonna go ahead and add my shrimp to that. Make sure that you've washed your shrimp ahead of time. I did buy the shrimp from the store, and this are pre-cooked shrimp, so you don't need to cook it too much. And let it cook for a little bit. Then I'll just go in there with some chicken broth powder and some thyme. So these are dry ups. You can omit this too, but I absolutely love thyme in fried rice. Then I'll let that cook for a little bit, and then I'll go in with my rice. So I am using pre-cooked white rice. You have to have cooked your rice ahead of time, guys. So you can use your rice cooker if you have one, or cook your rice on the stove ahead of time. So I'm just gonna mix that and make sure that it's nicely cooked, mixed together. And then I'm gonna add my mixed vegetables and my herbs at this time, and just make sure that everything is nicely coated and that everything is uniform. It's very important. This step is very important, guys, because you don't want one part tasting like salt, the other one is has nothing. So now I'm just gonna do the taste test. And yummy, tastes good. I am satisfied, and this is what it looks like, guys. I just let it cook for a little bit. So this is the beauty of this recipe on the plate for you to see. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and always remember that Jesus loves you. God bless you.